thank you so much for coming back to Springwater Farms channel. Today we're gonna be doing a lawn mowing video. It's not gonna last very long, but I just really wanted to let you guys know that we're gonna be singing a song about Believer next weekend. No, this weekend. Eventually. So, I'd like you to enjoy this video. Please turn down or mute. And I won't be talking much for the rest of the video except at the very end. Thank you so much, and maybe I won't even be talking then. Thank you so much, and let's have a great time. Please turn down your TV, or phone, or device that you were watching on. There's a lot of controls here. I'm trying to get a GoPro soon. So please turn it down, and we'll see you in a bit, huh? I need to, let's see how I'm going to do this. Okay, I'm going to do this, set you down for a second. Please mute up. Well, guys, I guess that's it. I'll give you a walk around here. Right here, you got the parking brake. You got the speed, cruise control. That's what it is, and you got the PTO. So there's a PTO in the back, right there. There's parking brake, gas pedal, reverse, key, throttle, choke, obviously steering wheel. That's the mower lift lock, and then that yellow is the override. It's a John Deere X350. As you can see, it has a really cool engine, and it's a little wobbly there, but you come up and see it, boom. Okay, I'll give you a slow walk around here. It's a cool three blade, and that is pretty much it. And there's a PTO down there. It has a lot of stuff, cool stuff here. That was pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching, and have a great time.